Imagine a world where cars drive themselves. Food is printed on demand, and our homes are powered by renewable energy sources. It may sound like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but these are just a few of the incredible technologies that are expected to become a reality in the near future. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the advancements in technology are becoming more mind-blowing by the day, from 3D printing to space tourism, from brain-computer interfaces to self-replicating robots. The future is looking brighter than ever, so buckle up and get ready for a glimpse into the amazing world of future technology. In this video, we will explore some of the most exciting and groundbreaking technologies that are set to transform our world in the coming years. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Flying cars. Ever since Back to the Future hit the screens, we've been waiting for flying cars to become a reality, and now it's finally happening. With companies like Uber and Airbus working on vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, we can expect to see flying cars become a part of our daily lives. In the near future, space tourism is already a reality, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin offering trips to space for paying customers. In the coming years, we can expect to see more companies enter this market, making space tourism more affordable and accessible. Smart cities. Smart cities are already being developed in some parts of the world, and we can expect to see more of them in the coming years. These cities will be equipped with sensors and other technology that will enable them to monitor and manage everything from traffic flow to air quality. They will also be designed to be more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that uses vacuum-sealed tubes to transport people and goods at speeds of up to 700 miles per hour. With companies like Virgin Hyperloop One and SpaceX working on this technology, we can expect to see the Hyperloop become a reality in the near future. 5G technology. 5G technology is the next generation of mobile internet connectivity. It is already available in some areas, but it will become more widespread in the coming years. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we use our devices, with faster download and upload speeds and reduced lag time. Brain-computer interfaces. Imagine being able to control your devices with your thoughts, or communicate with others without speaking a word. That's the potential of brain-computer interfaces, which allow direct communication between the brain and external devices. While still in the experimental stage, this technology could transform the lives of people with disabilities and change the way we interact with technology. Holographic displays. Imagine being able to interact with digital objects and information in midair, as if they were physical objects. Holographic displays are set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, allowing us to visualize and manipulate data in 3D space. From medical imaging to gaming, the potential applications for holographic displays are endless. 3D printing. 3D printing is already being used to create everything from toys to prosthetic limbs, but we can expect to see it become even more widespread in the coming years. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, making it possible to create products on demand and reduce waste. Biodegradable materials. The rise of biodegradable materials could help reduce the amount of waste and pollution in the environment, from biodegradable plastics to eco-friendly building materials. The possibilities are endless. Personalized medicine. In the future, medicine will be tailored specifically to your individual needs. Your doctor will be able to analyze your DNA and create a personalized treatment plan that is unique to you. This means more effective treatments and fewer side effects. Thanks for joining us. We hope that you found this video informative, inspiring, and entertaining. Please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.